Oh, what do we have here? This lady goes berserk when she's fired from Olive Garden, and when the cops show up, all hell breaks loose.
Somebody doesn't want to leave, a worker.
I'll go get my new for you. They're right over there.
Okay. Come on, talk to you? Are you Jim?
No, I will go grab it.
Oh, yeah.
Were you planning on waiting inside or?
You don't have to clock out. I can just
Alright.
This is her?
Our earliest pickup time is going to be
Sorry, guys.
It's 7:20.
So what's going on? What's going on? What's up?
So, long story short, she went screaming through my alley. Told her I had to send her home. She probably recalls she's on a final written warning for inappropriate behavior already.
Oh, yeah.
So, she was running through the alley screaming, I hate this job, I hate this job. Team members heard it, guests heard it. I said, at this point, I'm going to ask you to leave. And then she's been argumentative with me since about leaving.
Oh, yeah.
So, I followed what our standards are, tried to get her statement so I could protect her. Hey, do this.
Saying I hate this job, but refusing to leave is just next level stupidity.
Go get other statements. She got from the table, said no, she's not leaving. I recited the handbook back to her saying, hey, examples of behaviors leading to disciplinary action up to and including termination, disregarding and refusing a manager's instructions. At this point, you've refused to leave the building at my request, and I will call the police to remove you.
Okay. Do you want to trespass?
No, I don't want that.
Yo! This is what we're not going to do, all right? They want you to leave, so we're going to leave. Let's go. Let's go. We're not going to yell. We're not going to do none of that.
She Latina or black? Either way, she gonna be hell in hot water.
Doing anything to you. I'm not doing anything to you.
Jason, do you want to trespass?
I'm literally not doing anything.
Do you want to trespass? All right, now you're being trespassed.
Cool.
Now I'm not going to tell you you're going to leave. Leave. Let's go.
Cool.
Let's go.
He's trespassing because I'm telling people to do their job. I know. So maybe you should do your job, Jason Elliott. You should probably do your job. Because you want to tell me I can't do my job because nothing stops and nothing doing that and nothing doing that? Okay, that makes so much sense. That makes so much sense. I'm already trespassed, so what are you going to do? I'm already trespassed. What are you going to do? You're not going to do anything because I'm already trespassed.
If I tell you again,
I'm already trespassed.
you're going to jail if I tell you to leave again. Let's go.
Y'all, bro. Literally.
Now, why they got a lot of little sister out here acting crazy at Olive Garden? She need to take care of her little sister.
Like, you're literally dumb as
Or big sister.
literally stupid as dumb as
Where's she going?
Oh, yeah.
What's crazy is she's the absolute baddie. So why is she acting like this? Especially at Olive Garden.
You don't have to follow me at all.
What's your name?
None of your business. How about that?
None of your name?
How about that, Harris?
All right.
Okay, she got that thing back there.
54.
Get away from
Okay,
me. Nobody,
you come back to this property?
I don't care about this. I told them that they didn't have nothing. Harris,
all right,
are you listening to me? Because you're a real human being, right? You're a real human being, right? You're not a robot. They're a robot, right in there.
What's going on?
I said there was nothing stuck. I came here at 6 o'clock. What time is it, Harris?
54. She just kind of.
What time is it? It's 7:40, right?
Yes, it is 7.
Okay, it's 7.
I hate when people call me by my first name and they don't even know who the fuck I am. How dare you?
40, and I came here at 6 o'clock. There was nothing stuck. No plates, no dishes, no nothing. How am I gonna serve my guests? All I said was, why is there nobody stocking this? I got in trouble for that. He called the police on me because I said there was nothing stocked. This place, bro.
All right. You don't want to talk anymore?
Why the would I want to talk, Harris? I just lost my job that takes care of my 2 kids. Why would I want to talk?
Okay. All right, I just have to tell you, if you come back, you go to jail, all right? Do you understand that? All right.
Well, she's a real nutcase. Why is she revving up like that? Oh. Well, you going to jail. You going to jail.
After that epic exit, you'd think this would be the end of it, but as the officer is standing outside waiting on dispatch to run her information, Karina decides she's ready for round 2.
What?
Late to the party, bro.
Round 2?
But yeah, I guess
she came back to the job?
She got fired, started acting up. And
She was an employee here?
yeah. I think. Told her to leave. She didn't want to leave at first. I said, you're going to go to jail if you leave. If you don't leave. Then she left. Then she spat. Oh, there she right there. What the? Hold up. That's her. That's her car.
BMW?
Yeah.
The BMW just flew past.
That's her. She.
Look, you got a Dodge with a Hemi in it? She got a sugar daddy. There ain't no way you driving that working at Olive Garden.
What did I tell you?
I left. What are you talking
You came
about?
right back on the property.
I did not.
So I didn't see you on the
I
property?
literally just left.
I didn't see you on the property.
I literally just
You're gonna lie
left.
to me right now.
Paris.
Are you gonna lie to me right now?
I literally just left.
There, or did you not see you on the property?
I literally just left. I literally just left.
It's on body cam.
I've been on my phone the whole
It's
time.
on camera.
Okay?
I saw you pull out.
I literally just
You
left.
pulled back in.
I
So you didn't just
left.
pull back in.
I just left.
Step out the vehicle. Step out the vehicle.
Bro, what are you doing right
Step out the
now,
vehicle.
bro?
Step out the vehicle.
Step out
I
the
told you not to come back on the property. You
I
came back on the
literally
property.
left. I literally left.
And you came back.
I literally just left. I'm literally leaving
Step
right
out
now.
of the vehicle.
I'm literally leaving right now.
Step out of the vehicle.
You don't have to do this.
Step out of the vehicle.
I'm literally leaving right now.
I'm gonna give you one more time. Step
Can
out
you
of the vehicle.
please? Can you please?
Ma'am,
Sir.
step out of the vehicle.
He's already telling me to get out the vehicle. What is that even supposed to mean?
Ma'am, get out of the
I'm
vehicle.
on speaker right now.
Why did you come back to the property?
I literally left. I just left. I literally just left.
You came
I
back.
literally
It's
just
on camera.
left.
Why are you lying?
I just left.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna take off your seatbelt.
No,
Let's
stop.
go to the
Stop.
Step out of the vehicle.
Bro, what are you doing
Step
right
out
now?
of the vehicle.
Step out. We're not
Okay,
gonna ask
stop
you again.
touching me. Stop touching me, bro.
Get out of the vehicle now.
Oh. Oh, are you fighting the cops? Oh, shit. Yeah. Stick a fork in her. She's done. Not about a ponytail. It look like it's about to come off.
Stop resisting.
What are you
Put your hands behind your back now.
What are you
Hands
touching
behind
me
your back.
for? What are you touching me for?
Hands behind your back.
What are you touching me for, bro? I'm literally not even doing anything, bro.
Give us your
What are
hand.
you touching me for?
Domestic violence.
What are you touching me for? Bro,
See the other one? You're gonna get tased.
I'm literally not
You're gonna
even
get
doing
tased.
anything. I'm not even doing anything. I'm not even doing anything, bro. I'm literally not even doing anything, bro. I'm a girl, and you all are two men, bro. Like, for real, Harris?
Well, why are you acting like that, then? You supposed to be beautiful, calm, and collective and chilling, and you over here acting like a Tasmanian devil.
For real, I literally left. I literally left, Harris. Harris, like, are you listening to me right now?
Body cameras on the
I
whole time.
left.
Okay.
I left. And you're trying to arrest me because I left?
One to
Because I left. Harris. Hello? Are you listening to me right now? Please,
Step
can
up.
you listen to me?
Knock it off.
Wait,
You got any weapons on you?
please, for a second, please. I'm literally, bro, please, can you just wait for a second? My shoe, can I get my shoe, please? Please. I'm literally not doing anything, bro. Harris, please. Please.
Damn, what happened to her head?
For a second, please, look at me, please. I'm literally not doing anything, bro. Harris.
I see your forehead. Little mama soul. You gonna be cool when we get in the hospital?
Why are we going to the hospital?
We gotta get you checked out.
I don't want it to be checked out.
You have to.
No, I'm not going in there. Harris.
Please.
Take me home. I have 2 kids I need to take care of. Stop taking me to the hospital. This is all a run around. I don't want to do the run around. I want to go. I want to go. I want to
Once you get cuffs on, baby, that is not how that works.
get bailed out and I want to go.
Okay.
No.
So listen.
No.
Okay. Did you see that guy out there that pulled up, checked on you? That's my sergeant.
I don't care about your sergeant.
He told me to take you to the hospital.
No. What am I? What am I? What am I?
Pendejo or pendeja.
What am I categorized as?
As in what? What are you talking about?
What am I? Like mentally stable? Like what am I?
Oh, we have to get
You that too?
but not checked out.
No.
Let him clean it.
Harris.
That's the only way you're
what
going.
the f- is your first name?
Bro, that's the only way you're going to the jail if you get that cleaned up.
I'm
So
not going to the jail. I'm not. I want to go to the jail without going to the hospital.
Well, that's not gonna happen.
You know how long it is to take you to the hospital?
It's gonna be quick.
No, it's
Cause
not
you're with
gonna
us.
be quick.
It's in and out because you're with us.
No, I don't care about you.
You get VIP. You get VIP treatment because you going to jail.
I don't care
All right,
about
listen,
y'all
listen.
police officers, bro.
Listen,
no,
listen.
This is longering my
Listen,
process, not y'all's.
listen.
Mine.
Okay.
She is a
You don't get out.
nutcase.
They're gonna put you in a chair, strap you in that chair.
Oh my
Exactly.
God.
So let's just
oh
go.
My God,
Let's just get it.
God, are you even real? You not even real, bro. You not even real, bro. You not.
Hey, if you have a relationship with God, you done been here before. Maybe because of your own actions or maybe not. But you done been here before.
You. I hate this world, bro. Take me out. Strike me down right now.
Come on.
Kill me. Kill me. Kill me.
2217.
Kill me right now. Kill me.
2217.
Kill me. I'd rather you kill me.
She's not getting out the car.
Bro, why are you trying to take me to the hospital? I don't need to go to the hospital.
You want any routine or
No, stop.
Routine. You wanna get out?
2119.
She looks like a demon.
And I can speak if you want as well.
You wanna get out? This is just long, making your process longer. That's all it's doing.
That's why I'm saying, why are we going to the hospital when it's taking my process longer?
All right, so you have no choice. You're going to the hospital, right?
Can I speak?
You're getting checked out.
Am I stable to speak? I'm speaking, right? So why do I need to get
It's
checked
above-
out?
You and stable in the same sentence is not a good thing.
It's above my pay grade.
Exactly. So take me to the jail.
I had an order from my sergeant, and I have to follow that order. So,
Bro, I'm about to smash my head into the wall and make it even worse.
and
How about that?
we're going to be here longer.
Bro, I'd rather kill myself than go to bro. Just take me to jail. I don't need a bro, Harris, why would you do this to me, bro?
I didn't do nothing.
Yes, you did. I didn't do anything to you. I was leaving the Olive Garden premises.
All right.
I wasn't doing anything. I was leaving Olive Garden.
Are we going to step out of the vehicle?
I cannot.
Please. I even said please.
Yes, you said
May you
please. You
please
said please,
step
but
out
you
of the
didn't
vehicle?
say please before that. You didn't. You
oh,
said
God.
fucking face, and you think I'm gonna fucking
I
have force with you?
I didn't give you multiple chances.
You did not.
Okay.
You did not. You said, all right, that I'm finna open the door and I'm finna open you out. Yeah.
Okay. So are we going to walk into the hospital voluntarily? Please.
No, don't smile like this is cute.
All right.
Not cute, bruh.
That's what he's thinking about your whole performance today.
It's very toxic. Please, I don't need.
What if this is a scene of This Is How I Met Your Mother?
I don't need doctors. I don't.
All they're going to do is wipe that down.
I don't need it wiped down. They can wipe down
you're
in the
gonna-
hospital. They got nurses in there, don't they?
I mean, I'd rather
So
have them
what's the
clean it here
difference?
than a jail hospital.
I'd
I'm gonna be
rather
honest.
them not do either.
Well, we have to.
I'd rather them go home.
Because you're under our custody.
I'm
and
not.
your health.
I'm not. This is my civil right.
Okay.
2368 confrontation.
Please, can you just let me go home? Please, just let me go home. Just let me go home. Just take me to the jail and fuck it all. Fuck it all. Fuck it all. If you had a daughter
Mariner fronted. Texas tag.
by herself,
Victor Yankee
I would pray she don't act like you.
Golf 9495.
no matter the circumstances, she's still your daughter.
100%. 100%.
And she's mad because people don't want to do their
I
job.
understand that.
And she gets escorted out of the premises because of that. You're gonna be on the police side?
Oh.
Yeah? Yeah.
Are we gonna go in the
I
hospital?
already told you I don't want to go
Alright,
to
so
the hospital, babe.
I have some more units coming. All right.
I don't want more units.
I know. So if you can just
I
walk
don't want
out.
nobody here. I want to go to the jail. I want to go to jail. I literally want to go to jail. I don't want to go to the hospital. What do I need to go to the hospital for? I don't need to go to the hospital. I'm fine. I'm talking straight. Don't care. I don't even feel it. I don't. Is the body cam on or what?
No, that's one. Actually, you charge it.
So I don't want to go to the jail. Don't send me to jail because I don't give a fuck. I'm going to jail with no hospital recognition. I don't care. What the fuck are they gonna do for me? I got a fucking
Make sure you ain't got a concussion.
knot on my head. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, poor baby. Get the fuck out of here. Close the door.
Alright, can you watch her? She's in the back. Do not open that door because she's in the. Okay. I'm gonna get a wheelchair. I guess we're gonna try to scare her. I'm not really trying to put her in the wheelchair, bro.
Hey,
Yo, let's just drag her and get her in cuffs on the bed.
You wanna do it like that?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Alright. Like I said, here's the other deputy. So I'm gonna give you a chance to walk in there, or we got to drag you in there. Alright. So can we just walk in there, please?
So because I don't want to have medical attention, I have to go dragged in there.
Yes.
I have to go dragged in there.
Yes.
What kind of fucking sense does that make?
Above-
Like, actually be so fucking for real.
Can you just walk, please?
I don't want to go. Why do I have to go get medical attention when I can go to jail? Go, take me to jail. I'm literally I'm telling you to take me to jail. Take me to jail. I don't give a
What is wrong with her eyes? Y'all see that shit?
about medical attention, bro.
Come on.
I'm literally on body cam. I don't care about medical attention. Take me to fucking jail, bro. Take me to jail, bro. I don't care.
So probably just gonna drag her in there.
Take me to jail for what?
Alright.
Like what? It makes no fucking sense. Bro,
Come on.
bro, for what? For fucking what? For what?
Let's go.
For what? Carry me.
I'm not
Carry me.
kidding.
Carry
Come
me.
on. Okay.
Carry me.
Let's carry.
Yes, please. Carry me, please. Please.
Stop.
Please.
Stop.
Please carry me.
Nah, I got it. Go ahead. All you have to do is walk.
There was no reason for me to even come here. There's no reason for me to come here. Literally no reason for me to come here. Literally no reason for me to come here. Literally.
That works.
Damn. Strong ass.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.
This is our charges: trespassing after warning, resisting with an officer without violence, resisting with an officer with violence. There, she got both of them. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share as well. As it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.
Video.